YouTube is huge, has been for a while now, so it's no wonder that the market for YouTube cams is just as massive. What if you want to make shorts? Or what if you're just recording from home? Or what if you're filming action footage? So many questions, so many dilemmas. Anyhow, the best cameras for YouTube are the ones that successfully combine top-tier video quality with versatility to handle diverse filming needs. We recommend looking for models with flip screens for easy framing, and of course, a solid external microphone input is very much welcome. That said, make sure to follow our links because they lead to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's go! Number 5. Sony ZV1. We'll get this show on the road with the Sony ZV1, ideal if you want the best value, perfect if you're new to this whole YouTube thing. This thing is fairly priced and offers features usually found in more expensive models. First things first, fast hybrid autofocus and real-time eye autofocus. Now, in plain terms, these seemingly complex features mean that your videos stay sharp even when you're on the move. And yes, this is a feature typically reserved for pricier models. That 20.1 MP sensor is more than enough capacity to capture vibrant details and just make your content pop. And when you pair it with a 24 to 70mm lens, you can really achieve a lot without having to spend a fortune. You'll get very close to professional YouTubers on a fraction of what they paid for their setups. One of our favorite features has to be the flip-out screen. Not only does this thing bring old-school vibes that we love, but it's very handy for selfie shots and vlogging. It's super easy to frame yourself with zero guesswork. And then there's also this thing called the bokeh mode. It allows instant background defocus for a pro editor touch. The ZV1 even delivers on the audio front. It has a forward directional mic and a detachable windscreen, so your sound is clear and crisp. The 3.5mm jack means you can boost your audio setup further if needed. Number 4. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. A lot of YouTube content these days is not fixed but in the middle of the moment, out and about. Well, if you want to make content like that, you will need a high-quality action camera like the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The device is very fast, very accurate when focusing. The subject stays sharp no matter how fast-paced your content is. Playing sports, going out with friends, it handles everything. One of the ways it handles all that stuff is using the 3-axis mechanical stabilization. It's the ultimate cure for those shaky, hard-to-watch videos you're looking to avoid. You can sprint down a trail or follow your dog in the park. The built-in tech keeps the video smooth and stable. Probably the biggest challenge with other cameras in this range if we're honest. Also included in the mix is a 1-inch CMOS sensor. When combined with 4K recording, at 120 FPS no less, it allows you to capture high-resolution footage. Despite the advanced specs, the Osmo Pocket 3 remains user-friendly. It has a 2-inch rotating touchscreen that is large enough to help you frame your shots when filming horizontally or vertically. We are looking at a compact powerhouse here, ideal for any adventure, big or small. You can use this as an action cam only too, meaning you can take it out when recording content outside while sticking to a bulkier cam when recording at your desk. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix S52. Up next, meet the Panasonic Lumix S52. The best vlogging camera for YouTube right now. In short, this model is a massive leap beyond what entry and medium-tier cameras offer, and even beats some of the high-end stuff. The first thing we noticed whenever this thing was tested is that it has phase hybrid autofocus that keeps your face incredibly sharp and clear at all times, even if you're moving around or the lighting isn't ideal. Moving on, the Lumix S52 has a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. Look at it like having a canvas for capturing every detail with natural colors and clarity. You might be shooting in your studio or out on the street. It makes no difference because this sensor delivers high-resolution pro-tier videos right out of the box. And if you're about flexibility, you'll just love the unlimited video recording feature. As the name suggests, you can film as long as you need with this thing. Another factor that really sets the Lumix S52 apart is its improved image stabilization. You can walk and shoot without the dreaded shaky footage thanks to the active IS technology. This little feature is perfect for creators who love capturing action-packed scenes or on-the-go lifestyle vlogs. Number 2. Canon EOS R6. We'll get even more serious now with this model from Canon called the EOS R6, the best option for streamers if you ask us. What makes this thing so good for streamers is the advanced detection. So the way it works is that it detects all head movements, including face and eyes, in a way that many other models just can't. So you might be moving around or you might be interacting with viewers, meaning your face and head are not fixed, yet the camera keeps you in super sharp focus. The device even tracks animals in case your pet decides to make a guest appearance. Now, in terms of video recording, the R6 is what you call optimized for the long haul, 100%. It can record up to 6 hours without stop, full HD video all the way. We know streaming sessions can get even longer, but for most folks, this is impressive. And then there's the ability to shoot 6K oversampled 4K movies at 60 FPS, very high quality. The subject acquisition here goes beyond just people. The device can detect cars, motorcycles, planes, you name it. Very versatile, very well suited for all types of streamers. The best thing that every experienced streamer will praise about this one is how you don't have to fiddle with the settings in the middle of your stream, which can be super frustrating. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7S III. Okay, we've reached the throne and the winner for today, the Sony Alpha 7S III. This is premium tier stuff. On the 2025 market, this is the camera to beat. The 4K movie capabilities are nothing short of incredible. When you look at the footage, it's like Hollywood level. In terms of detail, it's the way this thing handles ultra-low noise and high dynamic range. Cinema quality footage all the way. If you're a seasoned YouTuber, this is the model that can take your channel to that pro-level tier. The Alpha 7S III has fast hybrid autofocus too. The way this feature works is that it covers most of the frame with intelligent tracking. This way, your subject remains in focus whether you're vlogging on the go. And one of the reasons why we consider this product number 1 is how well it works for solo creators, and the number of solo creators keeps rising. The focus control is just fantastic. The adjustable autofocus transition speed with autofocus subject shift sensitivity means you can switch between subjects so smoothly. You will get that professional touch on your videos, and you'll be recording on your own. We should also mention the advanced operability here. The menu is redesigned and highly intuitive. The manufacturer did this after receiving insights from pro users, by the way. Navigating the settings is a breeze, which is like a cherry on top of everything we just covered. Fantastic stuff from Sony. We're wrapping this one up now, guys. Just tell us in the comments now. Are you looking for a vlogging camera, or is your YouTube content more about traveling? Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and happy filming.